Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we create bottom navigation bar. And we add icons, add path to PubSpeak YAML. And now we create app BLoC, open blocks. Then we add folder app. Then we add app BLoC.dart. Then we add app event.dart and we add app state.dart and we file index.dart. Write class app BLoC, write extends, write BLoC. Then we add app event, add app state, and we add import, add constructor, and now we open app event, write class, write app event, write with, write app event, then we write const, write factory, write app event dot preload data, write preload data app event, and we write part of, write app BLoC.dart, and we add freeZ, write part, write app event.dart, save, add import, then we open app state, write class, write app state, write with, write app state, write const, write factory, write app state dot init, write init app state. Next we write const, write factory, write app state dot preload data, write preload data, write app state, and we add parameter is authorized. Then we write part of, write app BLoC.dart, write freeZ, and we write part, write app state.dart, save, then we write part, write app BLoC dot freeZ dot dart, save, and we write final, write shared preferences service, write this, then we write super, write init app state, write on, write app event, write event, write map, right future, right void, right preload data, right event, right preload data, right event, right emit, right future, right void, right preload data, right async, and we add preload data up event, right event. Next we write emitter, write up state, write emit, then we write bool, write is authorizate, and we write get bool, write shared pref keys dot is authorizate, write false, write emit, write up state preload data, save, and now we generate file BLoC freeset.dart, and we open index.dart, write export, add BLoC.dart, save, open index.dart, write export, write up, index.dart, open blocks bootstrapper, and we write up BLoC, save. Next we open main.dart, write up BLoC, up event, and we write BLoC builder, write up BLoC, write up state, write return, write state, write maybe map, write return, write sized box, write preload data, write init state, write if, write else, write init state dot is authorizate, and else we write return, write splash screen, is authorizate, we write home screen, and now we add folder navigation, and we add file BottomNavigationBar screen.dart, write class, write BottomNavigationBar screen, right extends, right status widget, add build, add constructor, and we convert status widget to stateful widget. And now we add variable selected index, right final, right list, right widget, and we write screens, add home screen, and we add sized box, right sized box, save, and we add variable color them, write them dot of context dot custom dot color them, then we write return, write scaffold, write body, screens, selected index, then we add parameter bottom navigation bar, add bottom navigation bar, items, then we add parameters current index, selected index, add on tab, add set state, selected index, and we update value to index, next parameter type, write bottom navigation bar type, write fixed, next selected item color, write color them dot text color 2, then write unselected item color, write color them dot gray color, next parameter unselected label style, write text style, write font size 12, next parameter selected label style, write text style, write font size 12, items we write bottom navigation bar item, and we add package Flutter SVG, write SVG picture, asset, write assets, write icons, write update dot svg, next parameter label, write updates, add active icon, write update active svg, and I add all bottom navigation bar items. Then we add bottom navigation bar screen to main, add import, and now we open emulator and test our works. That's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.